What once soared through the pages of sci-fi books or lit up movie screens is now lifting off in real life. Personal flying machines, from jet-propelled boards and sleek eVTOLs to shape-shifting flying cars, are redefining how we travel. No longer a distant dream, the skies are opening up to everyday explorers. Get ready to experience the breakthrough technology that's making personal flight the future. The eVTOL Trinity is a versatile electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It accommodates 4 to 7 passengers and includes wheelchair accessibility. The Trinity achieves a cruise speed of 220 miles per hour and a range exceeding 125 miles when powered by arc reaction plasma engines with 3 electric motors, with a hydrogen-powered model extending up to 250 miles. Its tandem wings with winglets enhance lift and efficiency, while the front wings can rotate upward for compact landings. The aircraft features retractable quadricycle landing gear and a carbon fiber composite fuselage. Advanced flight management is handled by an AI system utilizing blockchain and holocane technologies, enabling remote piloting via low Earth orbit satellites. Safety is prioritized through a triple redundancy system and atmospheric ion in-flight recharging. The cabin offers luxury amenities like augmented reality entertainment. The eVTOL Trinity blends speed, safety, and sustainability into a sleek flying experience. With futuristic tech, versatile design, and a vision for urban air mobility, it's not just an aircraft, it's a glimpse into the future of personal flight. The UDX Airwolf is an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing hoverbike developed by Czech company UDX. Designed for agility and speed, it features a tandem seat configuration accommodating a pilot and 1 passenger. Powered by 4 independently tilting electric duct fans, the Airwolf delivers 430 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reach a top speed of 230 km per hour. The Airwolf's carbon fiber composite construction ensures a lightweight yet robust frame, with an empty weight of 290 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 440 kilograms. Its tandem wings contribute to about 50% of the lift during forward flight, enhancing efficiency and reducing battery strain. Equipped with Tesla-sourced battery packs, the Airwolf offers a flight time of approximately 25 minutes and a range of up to 66 kilometers. Charging to 90% capacity can be achieved in about 30 minutes using standard car chargers. Safety features include shrouded propellers and a distributed electric propulsion system, allowing for controlled landings even in the event of a motor failure. The Airwolf represents a significant investment in personal air mobility. UDX aims to bring this futuristic hoverbike to market, offering a glimpse into the future of urban transportation. The Starling Jet is a hybrid electric business jet developed to offer a new era of air mobility. It's engineered for comfortable and luxurious travel, combining jet-class speed with the flexibility of vertical flight. Unlike traditional aircraft, it doesn't rely on airports. It can operate independently using smaller takeoff and landing areas, even helipads. The aircraft features vertical takeoff and landing capability, allowing it to lift off like a helicopter and then quickly transition to forward flight. This seamless shift from takeoff to cruise offers convenience and efficiency, especially for point-to-point regional travel. It delivers an impressive range of 900 to 1,500 miles and cruises at a speed of 460 miles per hour, making it perfect for fast and efficient city-to-city connections. The cabin is designed to carry up to 10 occupants, providing space and comfort without compromising on performance. Operating at an altitude of 10,000 meters, the Starling Jet balances power and efficiency using a hybrid electric propulsion system. This system ensures lower emissions, quieter operations, and optimized fuel consumption by combining electric lift with a traditional engine for cruising and battery recharge. Overall, the Starling Jet is not just an aircraft. It's a vision for cleaner, faster, and more flexible air travel, perfectly positioned to meet the transportation demands of the future. The Midnight is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Archer Aviation, designed for efficient urban air mobility. This 5-seat aircraft accommodates a pilot and 4 passengers, aiming to transform city commuting by offering quick, quiet, and sustainable flights. Powered by 6 independent lithium-ion battery packs, each connected to a pair of electric motors, the Midnight employs a total of 12 electric motors. This configuration ensures redundancy and safety, allowing the aircraft to continue operation. The aircraft achieves a cruise speed of 241 km per hour and is optimized for short-range trips of 80 km, with a maximum range of up to 160 km. Its turnaround times of approximately 10 minutes between flights. The Midnight's aerodynamic design features a fixed-wing structure that enhances efficiency during horizontal flight, while its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities allow it to operate without the need for traditional runways. The distributed propulsion system contributes to its quiet operation, producing noise levels significantly lower than conventional helicopters, making it suitable for urban environments. With its innovative design and focus on safety, efficiency, and sustainability, the Midnight eVTOL represents a significant advancement in urban air transportation, offering a promising solution to alleviate traffic congestion and reduce carbon emissions in metropolitan areas. The TriFan 600, developed by XTI Aerospace, is a vertical takeoff and landing capabilities with the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft, offers a versatile solution for both urban and regional air mobility. It uses a hybrid electric propulsion system equipped with 2 turboshaft engines powering 3 duct fans, 2 pivoting forward fans, and 1 aft fan. The TriFan 600 can transition seamlessly from vertical takeoff to horizontal flight. This configuration allows for operations from helipads or short runways, providing flexibility in various environments. The aircraft boasts a cruise speed of 345 miles per hour and a range of 700 miles. It is designed to operate at altitudes up to 30,000 feet and is capable of reaching its maximum cruise speed in approximately 90 seconds. Safety features include a 10-to-1 glide ratio, fly-by-wire controls, and a full airframe ballistic parachute. The aircraft is also designed for single-pilot operation under instrument flight rules, enabling flight in inclement weather and known icing conditions. The TriFan 600's interior is designed for comfort, featuring a pressurized cabin with luxury seating arrangements. Its versatility extends to various configurations, with the capacity to accommodate up to 6 passengers, air medical transport, a stretcher patient, 2 pilots, and up to 3 attendants. The TriFan 600 is poised to make a significant impact in the future of air transportation. The Tecnam P2006T NG is a light twin-engine aircraft produced by the Italian manufacturer Tecnam. It is recognized for its modern upgrades, efficient operation, and versatile performance. Powered by 2 Rotax 912S3 4-cylinder engines, it delivers a maximum cruising speed of about 287 km per hour. The aircraft has a maximum range of approximately 1,204 km, making it suitable for both training and personal transport. Its ceiling reaches up to 14,000 feet, and it can climb at a rate of about 925 feet per minute. The P2006T NG features a fully retractable tricycle landing gear system, which enhances its aerodynamic performance. The cockpit is equipped with the Garmin G1000 Inchi avionics suite, offering a modern glass cockpit experience with advanced navigation, communication, and safety systems. It accommodates 4 people, including the pilot. Built with lightweight materials, the aircraft achieves great fuel efficiency and lower operational costs, often running on automotive fuel rather than expensive aviation fuel. Combining innovation, affordability, and performance, the Tecnam P2006T NG stands out as a reliable and efficient option for pilots looking for twin-engine capabilities without the high costs typically associated with such aircraft. The Nalwa 5X is a 5-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Nalwa Aero, aiming to revolutionize urban air mobility. Designed for both civilian and military applications, it features a hybrid propulsion system combining hydrogen fuel cells and lithium batteries, powering 12 tilting electric duct fans mounted on a forward canard and rear box wing. The aircraft's carbon fiber composite fuselage ensures a high strength-to-weight ratio, while its modular interior allows for various configurations, including air taxi services, medical evacuation, and military missions. Advanced autonomous navigation systems incorporating cameras, radar, and GPS enable obstacle avoidance and emergency response capabilities. With a maximum cruise speed of 400 kilometers per hour and a flight time of 1.5 hours plus a 15-minute reserve, the Nalwa 5X offers a range of over 450 kilometers. It can carry a maximum payload of 700 kilograms and reach altitudes up to 2,000 meters. Its innovative design and versatile functionality position it as a promising solution for transportation challenges. As Nalwa Aero continues to develop the Nalwa 5X, this aircraft stands poised to transform the landscape of urban air mobility. The EHang eVTOL aircraft, particularly the EH216, is a fully autonomous aerial vehicle developed for urban air mobility. It is designed to carry 2 passengers with a maximum payload capacity of around 220 kilograms. Powered by 16 independent electric rotors mounted on 8 arms, the EH216 uses a distributed electric propulsion system that enhances stability, redundancy, and safety. The aircraft is entirely battery-powered, with a maximum speed of approximately 130 kilometers per hour and a range of about 30 kilometers per charge, depending on conditions. Flight duration typically reaches around 21 minutes. Constructed using lightweight carbon fiber composite materials, the EH216 balances strength, efficiency, and durability. EHang's autonomous command and control system manages takeoff, navigation, flight path, and landing without the need for manual piloting. Passengers simply select their destination, and the vehicle handles the rest. Integrated backup systems and fail-safe protocols ensure flight reliability even in the event of component failure. EHang also operates a cloud-based flight command center for real-time monitoring, remote control, and coordinated management of multiple vehicles. The EH216 has undergone extensive testing, including over 40,000 safe trial flights in different environments and weather conditions across several countries. Designed to transform short-distance transportation, tourism, emergency response, and logistics, EHang's innovative autonomous aerial vehicles are pushing the boundaries of smart urban mobility. With its focus on sustainability, safety, and simplicity, EHang is shaping the future of transportation in the skies. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sky-high innovations. Until next time, stay ahead and fly smart.